What's up, guys? It's your boy Gwen. You know what? I'm going to remove these glasses. I was reading before, so I got myself a new microphone. Rode, to be precise. I'll put the description on this video, and in case if you're wondering what it looks like, and I will show a little video somewhere. I don't know. Anyway. But apparently it enhances the sound when you make video. I hope it's even working. I don't know. I'm just making this record without checking. This is my first time of checking it. If it doesn't work, I'm dead. If it doesn't work, that means I'm wasting all this time talking and making this video, and it's not even gonna. You guys are not gonna see it because I don't know how to do those voiceover stuff. It's just I know how to do it, but it's a waste of time for me. I can't be talking while making video. Then after all of that, I will now start making another sound different from the video I'm making. So yeah, that's why. And I hope you guys can hear me because hey, if it doesn't work, I'm sending this microphone back to the seller, and I need my money back. And I hope it works as they say, because they say it's gonna enhance your voice and it makes it sound better or whatever, or not sound better, like the sound improvement. If you watch my last video, you know I've been home because I'm using one leg, and to everyone that reached out, I got a lot of people reaching out to me and all that. I really appreciate your prayers and your support. I don't even know I'm that important. Like, what? Me? Small me? Jesus, I'm shy. But I'm so grateful to you people that reached out. It's really nice. I mean, I don't know if people know me like this or kind of like me. I don't know I'm that likable to be reached out, but I'm so grateful. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah, share the love to everyone, not just me, to your friends, you know. Anyway, I really appreciate it. So yeah, staying home, you know, I just do reading, then do some homework from home, kinda. Not really that much, but sometimes it happens that there are some things you need to take care of. So today I'm here, I want to teach you guys, not teach you guys because I'm not a teacher, but more like I want to show you guys what I do sometimes to like take care of myself. I usually am someone that I love natural stuff when it comes to my body, and I am someone that likes to take care of my body. Honestly, I will not lie. I feel like I usually tell my friends this. I feel like if God give you this face, this body, and you don't take care of it, for me, when they're talking about judgment, he will start judging you from why didn't you take care of your body when you were alive? Or I mean, I feel like he give you something to take care of it. If I give you something, I would feel bad that you don't take care of that thing I give you. If I gift you, let's say a dog or something, and I see you maltreating that dog, I'll feel bad. So I feel like if God give me this face, this body, I mean, I should take care of it. He'll be glad. So this is how I take care of my face at home. So I don't buy a lot of products, so I try to use stuff at home, and it works so well for me. Today I'm going to show you how I make face scrub. One of the face scrub I make, face mask or face scrub, I don't know which one. I mean, one of the things I put on my face to wash my face naturally, they're all natural things you get from your kitchen. These are the things you can consume. I'm going to show you guys this, I don't know, I think with the camera here you cannot see, so I'll flip the camera around so you can see what I have on my table. This coffee bean, I blended it. This is rice, I blended it. Natural yogurt, honey, organic honey, warm water. Coffee bean has calming effects. It has vitamin B, treats acne, dark cycles, and it reduces inflammation. Natural yogurt helps to rejuvenate and soften the skin. It fights acne. It moisturizes. Honey moisturizes the skin deeply. It is useful in sunburn. It adds a natural glow to the skin, keeps the skin hydrated, cleanses the pore, and it's a gentle exfoliator. Hot water is what activates the ingredients in the coffee and the rice. That's why we use not really hot water, lukewarm water actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this two stuff in a little bowl. So this one is what I use. I used to store it in the fridge for like a week. Then until maximum you should have this mixture is 2 weeks in the fridge. I've gone ahead to apply everything on my face. I went to the mirror to do so I don't make a mess here. I cleared the table. I have just the bottle here. So this is just for 2 weeks, 2 times a week. Usually I'll leave it like 10-15 minutes, then take a shower. Voila! I just washed my face. Wash my face? No, I just took shower, changed, look like I'm about to go out, even though nowhere to go. I just applied the aloe vera gel, vitamin C, and a little oil, and that's it. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? And I'm dressed to go. In case it's important to take care of this skin, you know. Don't let that dead skin remain on your face. It doesn't look good at all. Okay, look good, smell good, and be proud of yourself. You don't need to spend a lot of money to look good. People keep saying that. I don't spend so much. I just use what I have at home. That same thing I eat, I use it also to wash my body. Same thing. Yeah, you know, you look good inside and outside. Excuse me. Don't hesitate to drop a comment, ask questions. I will answer you. And if you think this is nice, if you think it's something you could do, sure, tell me about it. If you try it at home, if you want to add something or whatever, or if you added something and it works for you, tell me. I would like to try. I like to try new things. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit on that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video, because I am back again in your face. Ciao, arrivederci, au revoir.